Namaste. Today we will learn to do Ashtanga Sun Salutation A and B in Ashtanga primary series. Each practice is start with 5 round of Sun Salutation A and 5 round of Sun Salutation B. The Sun Salutation A is a sequence of 6 asanas which is done in 9 steps. These 6 asanas are Urdhva Hastasana, Uttanasana, Ardha Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, and last is Adho Mukha Svanasana. Sun Salutation B is a sequence of 7 asanas which is done in 17 steps. These 7 asanas are Utkatasana, Uttanasana, Ardha Uttanasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana, and last is Veerbhadrasana. First we will learn to do Ashtanga Sun Salutation A. Ashtanga Sun Salutation is always begun from a Samasthiti, which means equal standing. So let's start. Stand in a Samasthiti. Let's stand in a Samasthiti, equal standing. Both feet together, engage your thighs and core. Back should be straight. Roll your shoulder back to open your chest, chin parallel to the ground. And look at your tip of the nose. Nasagrah Drishti. This position is Samasthiti. Ekam inhale, raise your both arms up, join your palm together in Urdhva Hastasana. Look at your thumb, Angushta Madhya Drishti. Dvay exhale, bend down, place your both palm on the floor to each side of your feet. Try to touch your chin to shin and gaze should be at Nasagrah Drishti. This position is Uttanasana. Trini, inhale, head up. Place your finger on the mat. Straight your spine. Your drishti should be at Agya Chakra between your eyebrows. This position is Ardha Uttanasana. Chatwari, exhale. Bend your knees, jump back. Go to Chaturanga Dandasana. Bend your elbow. Look at your Nasagrah Drishti, tip of the nose. Pancha, inhale, roll your toes, straight your arms and expand your chest to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Look at the Agya Chakra, third eye. Now shut exhale, tuck your toes, place your feet on the floor while lifting your buttocks up. This is Adho Mukha Svanasana. Look at your navel, Navi Chakra. Stay on this position for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now Sapta, inhale, bend your knees and jump forward between your palms. Take fingertip support to lengthen your spine. Look at your Agya Chakra. This position is Ardha Uttanasana. Astho, exhale, bend down, place your palm side of your feet, touch your chin to shin. Gaze at Nasagrah Drishti. Nava, inhale, come all the way up, bring your both arms up above the head, join your palm together, look at Angushta Madhya Drishti. Then exhale, Samasthiti. Now we will do Sun Salutation B. Again stand in a Samasthiti. Ekam inhale, bend your knees and raise the arms up over the head. Bring your palm together, look to the thumb, Angushta Madhya Drishti. This position is Utkatasana. Dvay, exhale, straighten your legs and fold forward into Uttanasana. Place your palm side of your feet, gaze at Nasagrah Drishti. Trini, inhale, head up. Take a fingertip support to lengthen your spine. Your Drishti should be at Agya Chakra between your eyebrows. Chatwari, exhale, bend your knees and jump back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Press your palm and bend your elbow. Look at your Nasagra Drishti, aligning the shoulder, hips, heels in one line. Pancha, inhale, roll up to Urdhmukha Svanasana. Straighten the arms, roll your feet, expand your chest. Look at the Agya Chakra. Shut, exhale, tuck your toes, place your feet on the floor while raising the hips up into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Look at your navel, Nabhi Chakra. Sapta, inhale, turn your left foot 45-degree angle and step your right foot forward between your palms. Bend your right knee and raise your arms up. Join your palm together, gaze at thumb. Angushta Madhya Drishti. Astro, exhale, press your palm on the floor, step back your right foot in Chaturanga Dandasana. Gaze at tip of the nose, Nasagra Drishti. Now inhale, roll up into Urdhmukha Svanasana. Expand your chest. Look at Agya Chakra. Dasa, exhale, tuck your toes, go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Look at Nabhi Chakra. Ekadasa, inhale, turn your right foot 45-degree angle and step forward your left foot between your palms. Bend your left knee and raise your arms up. Joint your palm together over your head. Look at your thumb. Angushta Madhya Drishti. Dwadasa, exhale. Place your palm on the floor and go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Bend your elbow. Triyodasa, inhale. Straighten your arms, expand your chest to Urdhmukha Svanasana. Chaturdasa, exhale. Tuck your toes, lift your hips up to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay on this position for a 5 breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Panchadasa, inhale, jump front between your palms, place your fingertips on the floor, lift your head up, lengthen your spine. Look at Agya Chakra. Sodasa, exhale, bend full forward, place your palm on the floor each side of your feet. Touch your chin on your chin. Gaze at Nasagra Drishti. This is Uttanasana. Saptadasa, inhale, bend your knees, lift your torso, raising the arms overhead. Joint your palm, gaze at Angushta Madhya Drishti. Exhale, Samastati. This is Sun Salutation A and B of Ashtanga Primary Series. Hope so you like this video. If this is helpful for you, then don't forget to like, share and comment. See you soon in another video. Namaste.